In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import your bank transactions into Xero. This process will make your accounting tasks more efficient, saving you both time and headaches. To kick things off, let's navigate to the top of your Xero dashboard and click on Accounting. It's right there on the menu, easy to spot. Once you've clicked on Accounting, you'll see a drop-down or a new page with various options available for you. Here, you're going to select Bank Accounts. This is like opening the door to where all your banking information will live within Xero. Now that you've opened up the bank account section, the next step is to decide which specific bank account you want to import transactions for. You might already have existing accounts, or you might decide that this is the perfect time to create a new one. Go ahead, click on the account of interest. This leads you to the next vital part of your journey, importing those all-important bank transactions. With your bank account selected, direct your attention to the option that says Import Bank Transactions. Just click on it, and you're taking your first step towards automation bliss. This option allows you to bring in all of your transaction data seamlessly, eliminating a lot of the manual entry you'd otherwise need to do. Before proceeding with the import itself, there's one essential step to undertake: downloading the CSV file template provided by Xero. This template is your guide to correctly preparing and formatting your bank statements for import. It's really important to fill out this template accurately to ensure that all of your data uploads properly and without issues. Once you've filled in the CSV file template with all the bank transaction data that you need, simply upload it back into Xero. The import process will then continue automatically, seamlessly integrating your banking data into the system. Make sure everything looks right once it's in place, and you're all set. And that, my friends, is really all there is to it. You've learned how to import your bank transactions into Xero, which should simplify your bank reconciliation processes significantly. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial data is accurate and up to date, allowing you to focus on the more strategic aspects of your business. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!